Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you a quick upgrade that I did to my Mossberg 930 SPX shotgun. Basically I bought a pistol grip and a shotgun shell holder that mounts onto the actual gun itself instead of having it onto my stock. So the install took less than 15 minutes. All I had to do was use a screwdriver and a adjustable wrench. If you'd like to check out these awesome products, then just check out the link I have in the description below. And also, if you know someone that could use this video, definitely share it with them. This is what it looks like 15 minutes later after I did all the upgrades. It was really easy, nice clean OEM finish. The shotgun shell holder is made by Mesa Tactical. It is designed to hold 6 shotgun shells, 12 gauge, firmly onto the frame of your gun. One thing that I'm happy about is that the shotgun shells and the carrier itself do not get in the way of your optical adjustment, that little knob you see to your left. Alright, now that we have everything all modified, now it's time to take it out to the shooting range, so I'm going to have my friend Nick give it a few test runs.
Nice. Right in the middle. Bullseye. Dang. Mossberg 930 SPX.
With a pistol grip.
Here's a quick video of my dad shooting my shotgun before I did the modification with the old stock on the back. So far I have nothing to complain about, and I also kept my old stock just in case I want to go back and forth between the two, but I'm definitely going to keep this pistol grip on here, and I love the shotgun shell holder. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and as always, thank you all for watching.